It happened again. My trail camera struck multiple times and left twisted. It wasn't just a cover, it was targeted. The forest doesn't want to be watched, or maybe something in it doesn't. But we will come back to the mystery later. For now, let's shift gears and look at something that doesn't want to be seen. The Campark TC08 Trail Camera, a device designed to capture the wild even when the wild fights back.
Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to review the Campark TC08. This trail camera has solar panels integrated, so it's going to recharge the internal batteries. We are not going to need to buy batteries every year, a lot of batteries. This one has its own rechargeable battery that is going to allow us to leave it a lot of time in the wild, and then it will be recharging itself with the solar panel.
The camera can take pictures or videos during night or during day. Now you will see two videos taken with the camera during the day, one about a bird and another about a wild boar, and then we will see 4 pictures that has been taken with the same camera during day. And now a few videos and pictures at night. This camera can run full on battery, but it has a hidden feature that not other trail camera I ever tried had. I tested more than 10 trail cameras, but this one has a unique feature no other has. It's a backup system that allows you to run with AA batteries, so in case you run out of battery because there is no sunlight or something, you can run on the backup on the AA batteries. The camera is equipped with 3 motion sensors that is going to trigger the video or the pictures whenever it detects something in front. It has a wide angle of detection of 120 degrees. The TC08 is equipped with infrared LEDs that will allow us to see in the darkness up to 20 meters or 65 feet. The infrared light is invisible to animals, so it won't spook them or alert them to the presence of the camera.
Okay, let's put it on test. I'm going to put it in my favorite place and then I will change it to another places, but let's test it. I will have another trail camera here, so we are going to see how the animals gets close to the camera and see if it's capturing all the movements or it's missing some movements. Okay, now I'm going to install the camera in one of my favorite places. I'm in the forest near Barcelona, 20 kilometers from Barcelona, and we are going to see which animals are living here. We will see probably foxes, wild boars, badgers, and maybe other animals. Let's see what we found. Okay, if you are following my videos about trail cameras, you may know this place very well. I always put it in this tree to start and then I move it to other areas, but this never fails. I always get some interesting captures in here. It's a good place where the animals came maybe from this side, maybe then they come out from this side and they have a lot of paths. So let's put this one. I like to place the camera low so I get better pictures usually of the animals. So let's go place it here. Now we pass the bell through here and perfect. I'm going to put it very tight. Okay. and now we close it. The camera is there, secure. Okay, can you find the camera? Yes, the camera is there. Okay, we are going to hide a little bit the bell. Like this is fine. And now we are going to connect to the camera and we are going to see the options and everything. Let's install the application so we can scan the QR code that is on the camera. We access the application. Okay, I have already installed the application, but if not, you can just click on theirs. Here is the application. We are going to add this new camera. Add camera.
After a few seconds, the camera will appear on the list and we click on connect. The mobile phone will connect to the camera via Wi-Fi, and then you will see what is in front of the camera in real time. The application will allow us to take pictures. You see now I'm taking a picture and this is the picture quality. It's late on the afternoon a little bit, but also allow us to take and record video.
Hello, testing the sound quality of the camera. Let's see how it works. I'm going to move a little bit around, or like me, quite fast. Now there is no many sunlight. It's almost afternoon, late in the night.
This video is taken the next day when the light was a bit more favorable.
Okay, so the TC08, the new camera is there, ready to be used. And I have installed another camera, the TC22, one of my favorite ones there, and it's monitoring our camera, so we will be able to compare if it's triggering properly when there is animals.
There are two methods to extract the videos and photos from the camera. One of the methods is using the Wi-Fi connection. With the Wi-Fi connection from the mobile phone, we will be able to see which pictures and video has captured, and we will be able to download those videos and pictures to the mobile phone. As you can see, to download the pictures is quite fast. And also the other option is to connect to the SD card to a SD card reader, or connect the camera via the USB cable that comes with the camera to our laptop or computer, and then we can access as it fits an additional drive, an external drive. The application allows us as well to see the videos in real time without needing to download. Well, as you see, the videos doesn't take too much time to be downloaded via the Wi-Fi connection with the camera. Once the video is downloaded, we can see with our video application on the mobile phone, or share the video via WhatsApp or whatever other application you want to share it. Okay, now let's see the configuration menu of the camera. The first option is the capture mode, which we can set the camera to take pictures and then video, to take only picture, or to take only video. The maximum image quality at which we can set the camera is 112 megapixels. We can put the camera to record when there is motion detection, so peer detection, or we can set up to record in time lapse. The maximum video quality is 4K at 30 frames per second. There are other settings like the possibility to set up what is the flight light intensity, to set up a monitoring period, how we want to display things on the screen, like the date format, if we want to show the camera name. We can format the SD card from here. We can see the free space on the SD card and see the percentage of battery of the AA backup battery.
I'm going to use the app to properly set up the camera. Okay, I'm going to leave the camera some days there. So now I go home, the camera is there. Let's see tomorrow if we capture something.
The camera is capturing animals and going unnoticed until... On the first week that I set the camera, one of the sentinels had found it in the forest and alerted the other ones. So they sent one of their thugs to destroy the camera. After the attack, the camera is still functioning and captured a fox. But then I had to go to recover the camera. I placed the camera again, and for some time I only got like small animals like birds and mice. Then it went unnoticed for some days, until one of the sentinels saw something. At first he was conscious, but eventually he began to approach slowly until he discovered the camera. And again, they sent one of their agents to attack the camera. Then I set the camera and I saw some paranormal activity. A small circle that was bouncing around. No idea where this came from, and I never seen anything similar. Make sure to subscribe to continue with the story. I will continue placing hunting cameras on the forest to see what the wild boar plans are.
If you want to get any of these cameras, you will find a link on the description of the video. You just need to push the link and you will see the prices and everything, and you will get the camera very quickly in your home, and you will be able to get some animal recordings. Okay, I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.